Hello again, Nick Scheppa with Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich. And I want to show you a feature on your new Bentley Flying Spur should you encounter a flat tire on your journeys. Once you open up the trunk, I want you to lift up this piece right here, grab your gel for your tire and your air compressor. First start with the gel. I want you to shake this up. Once you've shaken it up, I want you to then take the tube. Screw the tube onto here, and once you puncture the foil, you're all set with that. Set it aside for now. This plastic piece, use the top of it to remove the needle inside the valve stem. Once you're removing that, I want you to then take this right here and completely unload its contents inside the tire. What that does is creates a barrier so no air will escape the tire. Then grab this plastic piece again, which does have the new needle for the valve stem. Tighten that up, and now we're ready for air. So set this aside. I'm going to grab our compressor kit right here. Behind here, it has our 12-volt plug, which we will plug inside the trunk. Make sure that the car is powered on so we can use the air. It also has the valve, which we will screw into the valve stem on the tire. Fill it up with air, and if you look to the front of here, it will let you know the appropriate PSI to be at so you can enjoy your travels once again. And if you're fortunate enough to be a client with Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich, we offer our enclosed flatbeds. So please contact your sales specialist or your service specialist who can set that up for you. Or simply save the contact for Bentley Roadside on your phone, like I do. I hope this helps.